Alright, let's talk about the perfect square. So you are given a positive integer num, so you have to return true if the num is a perfect square, else false, right? So here's a diagram. I'm going to just quickly just guide you through it. How do you do it? So you can actually traverse all of them, but you will get TOE, but I will still teach you how to do it. So you can just say from 1 to n, right? But imagine I times I is actually equal to num. And if this is true, right, you can return true. So we don't actually need to traverse 1 to n. You can traverse 1 to the square root of n. And then you can just find out what is the perfect square of this, right? So return true if this is valid, return false else, right? And then this is going to be TLE. So the better way is going to be what? Using the binary search. So you have the lowest pointer and highest pointer. So I'm going to call I and j pointer. So k represent what? K represent I plus j minus I divided by 2, and this represent k, and then you have to say if the num divided by k and also the normal k is also equal to 0. So this is actually has to equal to k. This is because what? I times I is actually equal to num, so which is k times k is also equal to num, right? So this has to be a same thing. So nums divided by k equal to k, and nums mod k is actually equal to 0. You can return true. Alright, I don't know why I use this color. It's not really easy to see. Okay, so I'm gonna say val equal to this number. So if val is actually less than k, then val is actually greater than k, right? This is also depending on this denominator, right? So what does val less than k mean? So val less than k mean maybe this number is too big, right? Because val is less than k, like this val depending on k, be honest. So if this is too big, I just make it small. So I just move my pointer j to k minus 1, and this means too big, so I move my I pointer to k plus 1, right? So you have to think about it. Just think about it, like what does k represent? I mean, what does k associate with val? And this is going to be super easy. So I'm going to just quickly just write a solution. So I equal to 1, j equal to num. While I less than equal to j, you do something, right? And you have a k represent I plus j minus I divided by 2, and if and also sorry and also value is actually to num divided by k, and also remain equal to num of k, right? So if val is actually equal to what? It's actually equal to k and also remain equal to 0, I can return true. So everything else return false. So val equal to k, this is also mean k times k equal to num, right? So think about this. And also if val is actually less than k, val is greater than k, right? If val is less than k, I just say if the val is less than k, meaning the number in the denominator is uh is too big. So you're gonna move your j to k minus 1, and this is greater, so it's gonna be I equal to k plus 1, right? And here we go. So let's just run the solution. So yeah. Alright. So let's talk about the time and space. This is going to be space constant, right? And this is going to be time log n. Like every single time you cut into the half. So yes, log n for the time. Space is constant. And I will see you next time. Bye.